Hello, my name is Esme Smith. And unfortunately, for some odd reason, I didn't film myself doing of course, diluting the yeast. So I will be telling you exactly kind of what steps I took. So first, of course, I had my gloves, my apron, my mask, of course, and my safety goggles. I wiped off my work area with 10% bleach. I also had a bleach, undiluted bleach on the side in my red bucket, which I will be showing you guys if I find it. I also had my half cup of alcohol. And so what I did was, of course, I put 1 tablespoon of, or no, 1/4 of a teaspoon of bleach, of yeast. And I then put, I think it was, if I can remember, like 2 tablespoons of warm water. So then I had to let it wait to foam. Of course, it was like 10 minutes. And then what I did was I grabbed the test tubes, of course, the 6 empty test tubes that came in our lab kit, and I then poured exactly 2.4 because I couldn't get 2.5. I put 2.4 milliliters of water into these test tubes, and I put 6 of them, of course, writing 10, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on to -6, of course. And then what I did after the yeast was made, I think what I did was I grabbed, I want to say 0.25 milliliters of, if I can, yeah, I think 0.25, something around that. I can't really remember off the top of my head. Again, I'm going off of memory. I'm not looking at anything. I turned off my computer screen so I wouldn't look at anything. So I placed that in the 10-1 tube. And after that, I made sure I squirt up, squirt down, squirt up, squirt down. Of course, of course, it was sterilized with the alcohol before I did this. I then started mixing up the yeast into the water, sterilized water. From there, I got, I think it was 0.125 milliliter. Is that right? Oh, no, I got like 0.25. Okay, so what I did was I grabbed it from 1, I put it into 2, I mixed it up, 2 to 3, or from 2 mix up, I diluted it into 3, and then so on and so forth. After that, I then grabbed the pipette, and I put 0.125, which is 4 drops, into my pre-made agar plates, my little plates. I put 4 drops in each one, one matching, of course, the number on the tube. So it would be 4 drops for tube 1, 4 drops for tube 2, 4 drops for tube 3, and then so on and so forth. So what I am going to show you, of course, is the plates that came out of it. I'll be showing you yeast 1, and as you can see, yeast 1 has built up. You can actually, like, it's just really big. I don't know how to explain it. Oh yeah, and then at 12 hours you inverted it, so you had to flip it from right side up to upside down. Okay, so this was the yeast, second diluted yeast from the first one. Then we go to number 3. to number 4. And you can see how like it starts kind of slowing down on its growth, to number 5. So you could barely even see number 5. You know, 4 was a lot more. And then, of course, number 6. And here I think I just placed it a little bit too much on one side, but you can see how, you know, slow the growth was for this one. And it probably might have been contaminated as well. But that was my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I'm sorry that I did not record myself, and I hope that my memory serves me correctly, that I did everything right. I don't know if I did everything verbatim, or well, said everything verbatim, but I'm just going based off of my memory. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.